Russell shows up every day waiting for Otto to come outside. And when we go out, Otto will ride his scooter and Russell will jump right next to him. I think that he was just seeing him as his friend. He would only let Otto touch him. And he brings in little stones to his toy excavator. Russell is a wild bird and a lot of things could happen. So, of course, we never leave them unsupervised. But this immediate connection between them, it wasn't something that we had in mind or anything. It all started when my husband, he's working outside and he noticed this little crow. All his bones, they were just poking out and he couldn't fly. There hasn't been any parents or anything nearby. So he contacted a wildlife rehabilitator. They told him that he should leave him alone and just let nature take its course. But he could feel that he was really weak. And we were like, hey, we think he should have a fair chance.
Hi.
We started to feed him and give him water. After that, we quickly introduced him to the nature. We thought Russell would say goodbye, but he never left.